Welcome to Riku's Dollar. Please like, subscribe.
Hello Riku, do you know where did we go yesterday?
Picket farm.
It's not Picket farm, it's Picket Fence the family farm. You know how long the farm from Bangalore Whitefield? You know how far?
Far.
It's not that much far. It's only 60 kilometers from Whitefield. Yes. Riku, do you know how to book the slot? You know how to book the slot? Tell me. We need to open this website. Yes, and then from there we need to book the slot. On the way, we did find very beautiful vineyard. We did lot of fun inside and took so many pictures, right Riku? Friends, this vineyard just opposite of the farm. We booked the early slots there, and while coming back we found very good restaurant nearby. So the best part of this farm is the aviary. So they will give you the sunflower seeds, there you can feed these birds, and really for the kids is very good time they can spend here. So friends, please watch this video and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Pig, right?
black color